currently we are in
Västerö
on Läsö. It's a nice cozy little island.
that belongs to Denmark.
Belongs to Denmark, almost like between like Gothenburg archipelago and Jylland on Denmark.
And normally this is a real summer's paradise. So we're here a bit early and the marina is pretty much empty. And the harbor master told us yesterday that we are the first Swedish boat of the season.
Normally you do the harbor fee payment by these machines. It's very common in Sweden and Denmark.
We celebrated my birthday and started the day with a virtual fika together with my family who had gathered together for the occasion.
This place really reminds us of Strand with the harbor and the long beach to the lighthouse. So it's almost like coming home.
It's crazy how much it resembles with like the sand dunes and the white sand and everything.
Yeah, it's very common.
Yeah, like the small walks down to the beach among the dunes.
Was it warm?
Nope. Maybe 8-10 degrees tops. It's really chilly.
No swim today?
No.
Oh, okay.
No swim.
I think I will keep my shoes on. Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you.
I think it's a nice small island. Quite typical to where we are from, like Skanör, Falsterbo and Höllviken in the south of Sweden. with the beaches and small houses and so on. Unfortunately, we are very early in the season, so many stores and restaurants are closed. But in the other way, we have like the town not for ourselves, but there are not a lot of tourists here, so it's very nice to just walk around and have a nice and calm day.
Yeah, I can really see the charm of being here in the summer.
Yeah.
But I would like the mix of having everything opened, but still the marina being this empty. Which is maybe not very realistic, but yeah. I had not expected it to be this close, especially not on a Saturday. So for celebrating one's birthday, no, it was kind of a disappointment. But yeah, popcorn and beer here in the cockpit is good too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And tomorrow we sail to the entrance of Limfjorden.
Yeah, we finally start to sail south. This is as far north as we will go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before we head south.
Yeah. So we start to sail south tomorrow, and then we'll spend time in Limfjorden, waiting for a good weather to sail down the Danish west coast.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be exciting.
Yeah. Really.
Are you ready to leave?
I'm ready to leave.
Great.
Nice.
We will have like 1.5 nautical miles with the wind almost straight to the nose.
Yeah.
And then we fall off. And then we should be able to just go on the jib the rest of the way.
It's a quite windy day, so I think we will
Yeah.
take only we sail with the jib.
Here in the marina we have like 60 knots of wind.
16, 20? Yeah.
No, pretty constantly 16.
Okay. Not that much.
No.
Kör jag med då? Är du beredd? Slå back. How is it going, Emmy?
think it's going fine. I've just proceeded to the next waypoint, so we have 2.5 hours until we reach that point. And we are going from 40 meters depth to like 5, which means that the choppy waves are back. We just had like half an hour with the pretty calm waves, but the sea state gets very choppy when you get into these shallow parts. And since the waves and wind are coming straight from behind us, some of the waves really toss us around. And yeah, other moments it's like this, totally calm. And then all of a sudden there's a wave that just throws you around like you're in a washing machine or something.
Yeah, it's really rolling.
Yeah, we're making about 6-7 knots like this. We have the current with us, which is nice. I think it would have been even more rolly if the current had been against us. So that's good.
We arrived to Hals, which is the first marina at the east entrance of Limfjorden, and decided to stop there for the night. Summer is arriving, and as we continued, we got some really nice sailing here in Limfjorden. But more about that next week. Thank you for joining our journey and supporting our work. All your positive feedback has been amazing. If you'd like to continue supporting us, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's also possible to support our work even further by joining our Patreon crew. Check out the link in the description for more details. Fair winds everyone, and see you next week.